Welcome back to the channel, tech lovers. Today we're diving into something truly exciting. OPPO has officially unveiled its latest flagship smartphone, the OPPO Find X8 Ultra, and let me tell you, this device is an absolute monster. From a stunning display and powerhouse performance to one of the most advanced camera systems we've ever seen, this phone is ready to shake up the flagship market in 2025. Let's jump right into the details. First up, the display. The OPPO Find X8 Ultra features a 6.82-inch Quad HD Plus LTPO AMOLED panel with a smooth 1 to 120 Hz refresh rate, ultra-narrow 1.4mm bezels, 10-bit color depth, and support for Dolby Vision. This screen isn't just big, it's breathtaking. With Pro XDR technology and 2160 Hz PWM dimming, you'll get a vivid, fluid, and eye-comforting viewing experience, perfect for content consumption, gaming, and everything in between. Powering this beast is Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. Built on a 3nm architecture, it's paired with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage. Worried about heating? Don't be. It comes with an aerospace-grade cooling system, which includes a massive vapor chamber and dual-layer ultra-high-performance graphite for optimal thermal management. Now let's talk cameras. And oh boy, OPPO went all in. The Find X8 Ultra features a 5-camera imaging system with not one, but 2 Periscope telephoto lenses. Here's the full breakdown. 50MP PR1-inch Sony LYT900 main sensor, 50MP 120° ultra-wide camera, 50MP Sony LYT700 Periscope camera with 3x optical zoom, 50MP Sony LYT600 Periscope with 6x optical zoom, and a 2MP spectral color sensor for pixel-level color recognition, with support for 4K at 120 FPS and Dolby Vision at all focal lengths. Your videos will look insanely cinematic. And for selfies, a 32MP front camera with 4K 60fps video support has you covered. Battery life? No compromises. You get a massive 6100mAh battery with blazing fast 100-watt wired charging and 50-watt wireless charging. Plus, support for magnetic accessories adds even more convenience. The phone comes with IP68 and IP69 water and dust resistance, making it one of the most rugged premium devices on the market. It also includes a powerful 602mm3 bionic vibration motor, in-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, dual SIM, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, Dolby Atmos stereo speakers, and a full suite of satellite navigation support. If you're looking for the ultimate Android experience, this could very well be it. So what do you think of the OPPO Find X8 Ultra? Is it the new king of Android flagships? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech reviews, unboxings, and comparisons right here on the channel.